used to love the rain until now.
I'm trying to hit you.
Come on. Let's go. Austin. That way. Go, Nino. Go. Come on. Let's go. Bye. Wait. Where are we going? To snow? You excited? Look. Look, Babush. Oh my. Sheesh. Yay! Look! Snowing like crazy out here. Oh my! But I turned around, he was over there. Look at the snow, Papash! Awesome. Awesome. He's gonna follow me as well. Come! Yay! Oh my goodness. Look at the little handsome baby. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Mwah. Where are you going? Why did you do that to me? Look at all that snow.
The windshield wipers, you have to clean them up.
I think so, because if not, they'll get stuck, or I don't know.
What the fuck? Like this.
What? She's snowing like crazy over here. Look at that shit. It's beautiful.
Oh my, she
got camera shot in today.
Una,
What are two little rascals doing?
dos,
Oh!
tres. Vaya, let's go.
Go where?
Una. Ven, papi.
Power went out, bruh. It's okay, mi amor. It's okay. I told you we could get it back right now. We'll get it back. We don't know how long it's gonna take.
So, que tengan un feliz año, So, que tengan un buen año.
We got the light back, guys. Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. No. I didn't hear it. Oh shit.
Leo didn't know.
Who sent you? Who sent you? Oh no! How old are you?
She actually didn't like it.
What didn't she like?
She gave up 12 minutes for the countdown.
When's the countdown?
12 minutes. Approximately about 700 seconds.
Wow, not much right here. What was that? What's the point of the grapes?
12 months of great years. 12 months of good luck. Mama! Mama!
Oh my god.
Augie, Chuck, Augie.
Wait, what are you doing? What are you guys doing on the table? Huh?
I'm ready in one, but for good luck in my room.
Happy New Year!
Hey,
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Awesome is sleeping, guys. Happy New Year's, papas. I love you. We're about to go snowboarding or snow sledding or something.
Do the snow.
Yeah. Dude, man. Hey. Damn, but why are you drilling like that? It does have an expression face. Come here. Like you gotta watch it. You can't watch it.
I can't even see myself.
You can't watch.
Jesus.
Look at all this snow.
Look at all the mountains. That's so beautiful.
It is so beautiful. Oh, fuck nasty.
Look how deep the snow is.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Hurry the fuck up, Stephanie.
They're so uncomfortable.
Honestly, you guys just cry about everything. Honestly, you look.
That's kind of rude. See if I remember how to ice skate.
I don't remember how.
No? Are you good, mate? Mate, are you good?
I can't stop moving in place. Look at the disco.
What disco?
The ball.
Oh, I see.
Get up. Gary, you
Like Fortnite?
Hey, 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 hey. It's easy but hard.
I pushed her. Yeah.
It's the next day. We're about to go snowmobile? I don't know how to say it. Snowmobiling? I don't know. We're about to go on those right there. It's a little cold. It's like 7 degrees out here. We got our helmets on. I can't hear shit in these helmets.
I was shitting it, but I'm good now.
You're what?
Shitting it, but I'm good now.
Wow. She gets nervous for everything.
I can't help it.
Everything. You used to be a beast at what?
Driving motorcycles.
So you think this is the same? Let's find out. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Born ready.
Ready?
Like, and it was the girl driving. That's messed up.
Switching, letting Denise drive.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep.
Next time, Austin! I know. Yeah, my baby. Dude, baby, we talking. That's a trip.
Because you try things. Babies want you to set it. You do the right thing. So get a good job. Don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything.
That's just pretty cold. The one on your face is just. Woo! I exaggerated. It's not 7 degrees, guys. It's only 25 degrees.
21.
Does he hear that?
It's not even funny, bro. People get concussions like that. Bad Bunny lover over here.
They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the
Baby POV.
I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental. I don't think you understand what I go through just to be in control of my life. So all the negativity.
Oh my goodness.
Last morning here, we're taking off.
5-10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second in the journey.
Big ol' no. We pulled up to the ghetto side.
Wee! Wee! Good job! Do it, he's gonna fall. My dad's calling us.
Huh? Yeah.
You little fatty.
Super hot, babe.
Yeah.
I know. You're gonna get burned.
He's gonna go back to the slide. Finally back home after an 8-hour drive. Austin, how's it feel to be home, Papa's? Look, it's your basketball court. Damn, this boy's stressy.
He's tired. That's what he's doing. He's freaking fighting it.
He's thinking about life. Go my 360 dunk. Go, go, go. Nice try. You got it. Go. Ah! Let's go. You little beast. Oh, past you. Dunk it. Dunk it. Oh, almost. Good job. Michael Jordan, you should the way he grips the ball. That's it for this video. Our trip to Lake Tahoe.
Austin's first time in the snow. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Perfect.